Hey there, fellow thinkers. Today's video takes us into the realm of belief systems and ideologies, where we unravel the fascinating world of human beliefs and values. We'll explore how beliefs are formed, the role of confirmation bias and cognitive dissonance, and the impact of societal influences on our ideologies. Join me as we delve into the rich tapestry of human thought and its profound effect on our lives. One, belief systems shaping perspectives and values. Belief systems and ideologies are frameworks of ideas and values that shape our perceptions, attitudes, and behaviors. They encompass religious, political, social, and philosophical beliefs that provide a sense of meaning and guide our worldview. 2. The formation of beliefs. Belief formation is influenced by factors such as personal experiences, upbringing, culture, and socialization. Our beliefs often develop gradually, influenced by the ideas we are exposed to and the social groups we belong to. 3. Confirmation bias, a filter for beliefs. Confirmation bias leads us to seek and favor information that confirms our existing beliefs while disregarding contradictory evidence. We tend to selectively expose ourselves to information that aligns with our beliefs, reinforcing our existing worldview. 4. Cognitive dissonance and belief adaptation. Cognitive dissonance arises when we experience discomfort due to conflicting beliefs or when our actions contradict our beliefs. To reduce this discomfort, we may alter our beliefs, change our behaviors, or seek out information that supports our existing beliefs. 5. Groupthink, the impact of social influence. Groupthink occurs when the desire for consensus overrides critical thinking, leading to flawed decision-making within a group. In groupthink situations, individuals may suppress their doubts or dissenting opinions to maintain group harmony and conformity. 6. Belief perseverance, the persistence of ideas. Belief perseverance is the tendency to cling to our beliefs even in the face of contradicting evidence. Once we form a belief, we tend to maintain it even when presented with information that challenges or contradicts our beliefs. 7. Sociocultural factors in ideology formation. Social and cultural factors play a significant role in the formation and perpetuation of ideologies within societies. Ideologies can be influenced by cultural norms, historical events, political systems, and societal institutions. 8. The influence of belief systems on perception. Belief systems can influence our perception of reality, shaping our understanding of social, political, and moral issues. They provide a framework through which we interpret and evaluate information, influencing our attitudes and behaviors. 9. Challenging beliefs, the power of critical thinking. Challenging and examining our own beliefs through critical thinking and open-mindedness is crucial for personal growth and intellectual development. It allows us to question the validity of our beliefs, consider alternative perspectives, and adapt our thinking based on new information. 10. Bridging ideological divides for a pluralistic society. Understanding the mechanisms behind belief systems helps us navigate diverse perspectives, promote dialogue, and foster a more inclusive society. By recognizing the influence of belief systems on our own thinking and being open to different viewpoints, we can engage in constructive conversations and bridge ideological divides. Thank you for joining me on this incredible exploration of belief systems and ideologies. We've peeled back the layers of human thought, examining how beliefs form, persist, and shape our perspectives. As we navigate the diverse tapestry of ideologies, let's continue to question, challenge, and open our minds to new possibilities. Remember, understanding and empathy are the keys to bridging divides. Stay curious and keep seeking truth.